way over there. It's right by that big tree fell in the water.
There's a big stick right there.
There. The beaver tucked down.
Yeah,
the
that one.
tucked down. Oh yeah. Yes, right. It's like, sunk. It's sunk.
It's sunk. Not sunk. It's sink.
It's floating, but it's not moving. Guys, I'm staying here.
And we go really deep in water. You'll drown forever, right?
Yeah. Ben, you're smushing me.
Move over. I'm moving over. Don't squish
You
me.
can throw them.
There's that stick. Wait. That one. Hold on.
It's sunk. It's sink.
It's sinked. Not sunk. Sinked.
Sink. It's like
I think it's sunk.
boats.
I think the boat sunk. I think sunk is right.
No.
Whoa!
It's sunk.
It's sunk. It's sinked.
It's sink. That was a big splash.
Yeah, I know. For me.
Guys, the beaver tucked down and he got out and he made a little bench for us to sit on so we can see the water. Do another one. Get another one.
Do you think there's another one?
Yeah.
Let's see. Here. Here's even, well this is, oh.
Throw it in. It's not floating.
Aaron.
It landed on me.
It's staying. It's come back up. It sunk.
It's sinked.
It's that. It's that.
It's sunk. It's sunk.
See how-
Sunk. It sink. It's sunk. It's sunk. It's sunk. It's sinked. It's sinked. It's sinked. It's sunk.
It's that. Do it again. Do it again.
It's sunk. Can I have a stick?